Welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking a deep dive into the wonderful country of Uganda. Located in the heart of East Africa, Uganda is a land of diversity, from its wildlife and breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant culture and welcoming people. In this video, we'll explore the capital city, the best places to visit, the role of women in society, facts about the country, its culture, food, and even the cost of living. So let's get started and discover what makes Uganda so special, or facts about Uganda. Now, let's take a look at some interesting facts about Uganda that you may not know. Uganda is often referred to as the Pearl of Africa, a name given by Winston Churchill because of its stunning landscapes, wildlife, and natural beauty. The Nile River originates from Lake Victoria in Uganda, making it one of the most important geographical landmarks in the world. Uganda is home to over 50 different ethnic groups, each with its own distinct language, traditions, and customs. The country is famous for its mountain gorillas, and Uganda is one of the few places in the world where you can go gorilla trekking. Uganda is known for its diverse wildlife, including lions, elephants, hippos, giraffes, and more. The country has several national parks and wildlife reserves. Women in Uganda. In Uganda, women play an integral role in both the family and the community. Traditionally, women have been responsible for maintaining the household and caring for children, especially in rural areas. However, over the years, Uganda has seen significant progress in empowering women, particularly in urban areas. Women in Uganda are increasingly making strides in education, business, and politics. There is a growing number of women entrepreneurs, and many women hold important positions in government and other organizations. The government and various NGOs have put initiatives in place to improve education, healthcare, and opportunities for women, and these efforts are showing results. However, despite the progress, challenges remain, particularly in rural areas, where traditional gender roles and limited access to education and healthcare still affect many women. But things are changing, and women are becoming more visible and active in all aspects of Ugandan life. Women's nightlife in Uganda. When it comes to nightlife in Uganda, both men and women enjoy a lively and fun atmosphere. In Kampala, you'll find a wide range of entertainment options. From live music and dance clubs to casual hangouts and trendy bars, there's something for everyone. Women in Uganda are becoming more active in the nightlife scene, with many enjoying the opportunity to socialize with friends, listen to music, and even dance. The nightlife here is vibrant, and it reflects Uganda's dynamic and youthful culture. Whether you're in the mood for a quiet evening out or an energetic night of dancing, Kampala has it all. Capital of Uganda, capital city, Kampala. Known as the heartbeat of Uganda, Kampala is the largest city in the country, and it's a bustling hub of activity. The city is built on 7 hills, and from its vibrant markets to its lively streets, there's always something happening here. Kampala has a mix of modern high-rise buildings and traditional markets, where you can find everything from crafts to fresh produce. The city is known for its friendly people and its blend of cultures, making it a perfect place to experience the real Uganda. When it comes to transportation, you'll find that getting around is relatively easy, with taxis, bodabodas, motorcycle taxis, and local buses being the most common ways of travel. If you enjoy shopping, there are plenty of malls, markets, and street vendors offering all kinds of products. And of course, Kampala has a thriving nightlife scene, with bars, clubs, and live music venues where you can enjoy a night out. Food and daily life. Most people, except a few who live in urban centers, produce their own food. Most people eat 2 meals a day, lunch and supper. Breakfast is often a cup of tea or porridge. Meals are prepared by women and girls. Men and boys aged 12 and above do not sit in the kitchen, which is separate from the main house. Cooking usually is done on an open wood fire. Popular dishes include matoke, a staple made from bananas, millet bread, cassava, tapioca or manioc, sweet potatoes, chicken and beef stews, and freshwater fish. Other foods include white potatoes, yams, corn, cabbage, pumpkin, tomatoes, millet, peas, sorghum, beans, ground nuts, peanuts, goat meat, and milk. Oranges, papayas, lemons, and pineapples also are grown and consumed. The national drink is waragi, a banana gin. Restaurants in large population centers such as Kampala, the capital, serve local foods. Places to visit in Uganda. Now, Uganda is known for its natural beauty and incredible places to visit. If you love adventure, you're in for a treat. Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the top places to visit. Here, you can go gorilla trekking, which is one of the most memorable experiences you can have. Uganda is home to almost half of the world's remaining mountain gorillas, and trekking through the dense forest to see them in their natural habitat is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Another must-visit destination is Murchison Falls National Park, where the mighty Nile River forces its way through a narrow gorge, creating stunning waterfalls. The park is home to elephants, lions, giraffes, and a wide variety of birds. It's perfect for a safari, and you can even take a boat ride on the Nile to get up close to the falls and the wildlife. If you're interested in culture and history, make sure to visit the Uganda Martyrs Shrine in Namugongo. This sacred site commemorates the lives of 22 Ugandan Christian martyrs who were executed for their faith in the late 1800s. The shrine attracts pilgrims from all over the world. Cost of living in Uganda. Compared to many Western countries, Uganda is quite affordable. Housing, food, and transportation are generally inexpensive, especially outside of Kampala. In the capital, you'll find modern apartments and houses with prices that are lower than those in many other major cities around the world. Food is also relatively affordable, with local markets offering fresh produce and affordable staple foods. Imported goods, however, can be more expensive. Public transportation is quite cheap, but many people also rely on boda-bodas, motorcycle taxis, for getting around quickly. Overall, Uganda offers a cost-effective lifestyle, especially for those who are willing to live like the locals. The country's affordable living costs make it an attractive option for travelers and expatriates. From its stunning natural landscapes and incredible wildlife to its vibrant culture and welcoming people, Uganda is truly a special place. Whether you're planning to visit, live, or simply learn more about the country, Uganda offers an experience that will leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.